CPP. What does CPP, Purchasing Professional, stand for in purchasing? CPP stands for Certified Purchasing Professional. CPP, Certified Purchasing Professional program is for specialists that have demonstrated the skills to effectively apply improved acquiring and supply chain methods as part of an organization remedy in a company. The term purchasing refers to the process of purchasing and also receiving goods and services. It is a subset of the wider procurement procedure. Generally, purchasing refers to the procedure involved in ordering products such as demand, approval, development of an order record, a purchase order or PO, and also the receipting of products. The CPP is important in making you a first-rate getting specialist. Companies today compensate only those staff members who have actually updated their knowledge and also abilities, as well as therefore are geared up to accomplish unprecedented outcomes. The Qualified Environment Friendly Buying Expert, CGPP, verifies training in green purchase as well as sustainability. The area of sustainability is expanding swiftly as well as numerous companies already have plans and procedures in place. This trend will only remain to grow as well as will end up being more and more important in the future. The CPP is a need for this specialist certification. About CPP certification. CPP training course to define procurement broadly. Procurement is the overarching function that describes the activities and processes to acquire goods and services. Importantly, and distinct from purchasing, procurement involves the activities involved in establishing fundamental requirements, sourcing activities such as market research and vendor evaluation and negotiation of contracts. It can also include the purchasing activities required to order and receive goods. Significance of CPP certification in 2021. CPP is open to all individuals in acquiring, materials monitoring, or in an executive position who are members of the American Getting culture or that help a company that holds a valid subscription in the culture. All members are motivated to get accreditation, although accreditation is not necessary to maintain a subscription. Objectives of the CPP. To promote acknowledgement as well as acceptance of expert status for licensed people associated with purchasing operations, to name a few locations of service administration. To establish efficiency criteria and also functional standards which can improve the performance as well as the effectiveness of getting. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for CPP course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best CPP exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. This exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for CPP every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4397 4905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/